This is a short video on how to set up the manual cleaning equipment. First thing that we need to do is ensure that the skimmer basket is always in place and locked into position. The next thing we're going to need is the skimmer plate or vac plate, which will amplify the pool pump's power to give us more suction. So we put this on top of the skimmer basket, and then when it's in place, we turn it to the right to lock it into position, and then to unlock it, we hold the tab on the back next to the spring here and turn it to the left, and then we can lift it out at the end. So we're going to put that in the pool first, in the skimmer first, lock that into position, and then what we're going to do next is set up the manual cleaning equipment to the pool pole. That is all done by just holding in the wishbone here and push connecting. Once that's connected, we're going to take the end of our pool hose. We're going to loop it through the skimmer and then pull it back so it goes back into the pool. Once that's done, we're then going to take the other end of the hose, which has a nice hole on the end of it here, and we're going to take it to one of our jets that is currently pumping water back into the pool. All we're then going to do is hold that hole over the jet, watch the hose sink, and wait for all of the air bubbles to come out of the other end of the hose there. This is the fastest way to fill the hose full of water, so that when we connect it, we don't pull any air into the system. Once all of the air is out, we need to keep this end in the pool. So we can put that down on the floor, extend our pool pole out, lock that nice and tight, gently lower that into the pool, and now connect the hose into the hole so that we're now pulling everything from the bottom of the pool without pulling any air into the system. Once that's connected, all we're then going to do is go back over to the pool pole and go back and forth over the entire pool, pulling up any dirt and debris that might be on the bottom. If you have a large pool, sometimes you might not be able to make it all the way to the other side using the pool pole. So if you just go halfway, forward and backwards, and then keep going all the way around the pool, you can actually get to the other half on the way around. When we're doing the clean, we want to make sure that the vacuum head is actually nice and flat along the floor. What we don't want to see is it actually sort of popping up on its wheels like this. What will happen there is it will create a barrel wave and actually push the dirt away before you actually get to pull it up. So keeping it nice and flat and nice and slow, you're going to be able to do an effective clean. When disconnecting, if you can't wiggle the hose out of the hole, what you can do is go over to the system, turn the pool pump off so that it makes it easier. But if you do wiggle it out, remember to take the tab in, twist it to the left, and then just lift up. Once we've finished our clean, if we've pulled any dirt and debris, large dirt and debris, into the skimmer basket, we can empty that, clean it, and start afresh.